Hello everybody. Today we are going to see Windows shortcuts. So here we go. This is a PowerPoint presentation. 3, 2, 1, go. So these are the ones that we are going to learn. Alt F4, Alt Tab, Control Tab and Windows key tab. So let me explain what is Alt F4. This Alt F4 is a pretty classic one. Everybody knows this and that. Alt F4 is a shortcut for closing the current program. For example, this is Google Chrome, and when I do the shortcut for closing Alt F4, it closes. I will open this because I want to do another tests. So after Alt F4 we see Alt Tab. This is to switch between programs like this. See, it moves to front. See, this is Google Chrome. This is Pro Windows Shortcut Show, PowerPoint presentation show. Then the next one is Control Tab. So it's basically like if you're doing work or something and you have to switch between tabs, like if you're doing for some watching YouTube and then here you are taking notes, like I do know that you can use Control Tab to switch between tabs. So Control Tab is almost same as Alt Tab, but it's just for browser things. Then Win key tab. It's this thing. It just shows the current program. Actually the desktops, and this actually shows the virtual desktops if I remember. So shows virtual desktops. The next is Shift key. See, it is used to make the opposite thing. It does the opposite thing. So let me open up Word. So I have turned on caps lock. Close. I have turned on caps lock. See? But when I press Shift, caps lock is still on D. And it's boom. So that's it. That's the use of Shift key. Don't save it. So it also helps you to go backwards, like right now it's on OBS, then it's Alt Shift Tab, so it will go backwards, not forwards. This is Alt Tab, this is Alt Shift Tab. So this is what it is. And if I go to Google Chrome, same here. Control Shift Tab. This is Control Tab. So it just goes in that direction. Now the next is F5, which for this is not refresh, but for Google Chrome it's refresh. And also actually let me minimize every single tab. It's refresh, but after refresh. It's a refresh. So that is the use of F5. And that's it for the video. Tata, bye bye. So let me